Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve risk assessment with Netflix, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve risk assessment using Netflix, start by understanding its recommendation algorithms. Analyze the data Netflix collects from user interactions. Identify key metrics that indicate user preferences and behaviors. Use this data to create a profile of potential risks in your assessment. Evaluate how Netflix assesses content risk based on viewer habits. Explore the company's approach to algorithmic transparency. Investigate how Netflix employs A/B testing to refine its risk models. Consider implementing similar testing methods in your own assessments. Review case studies of Netflix's risk management strategies. Apply insights from Netflix's content acquisition choices to your industry. Utilize Netflix's data-driven decision-making as a framework. Incorporate real-time data analysis to enhance your risk evaluation. Develop a feedback loop to regularly update your risk criteria. Document and share your findings with your team for collaborative insights. Stay adaptable to change, as Netflix continuously evolves its strategies. Leverage technology and tools that support advanced data analytics. Monitor industry trends to inform your risk assessment processes. By following these steps, you can enhance your risk assessment framework inspired by Netflix's practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.